What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you a quick loading tip that's not only going to save you valuable time and money, it's also going to save your back and allow you to press more shirts every single day you're at the shop. All right, so most people, when they load the shirt, they will load it with the collar down here at the back of the platen. As you can see, I'm kind of bending over a lot. My face is kind of close to the heat press here. And even though we have this protective guard sheet magnetized, it's not going to protect my face if I burn myself, right? And you're close to it down here as well. You can burn yourself there. And then when it comes to lining up the transfer, like we'll use our alignment set. And then as you can see, like I have to bend over to make sure that it's all lined up. It's harder to tell if it's straight or not. It's just an inefficient way to load your shirt. So let me show you how we do it here at the dojo. So what you're gonna do, right? You got your shirts lined up. You got your shirts lined up here. You have your transfers lined up here. I'm gonna grab it like this. You just flick it on there, nice and quick. Grab your alignment set. Bang, line up with the collar, bang. Good to go. And you press it. So as you can see, I get a straight view down. You know, I'm not bending over to see whether or not the transfer's lined up. I have just a direct view. It's easier to see whether it's lined up with the collar as well because it just lays right there. You can see the collar straight. It's easier to use the alignment set because I'm just standing straight up the entire time. No bending, nothing. And it's just much quicker. You just flick it on, bang, and look, we'll let this one cool. Put it right here. Grab another one. Flick it on. It's all straight. Use the alignment set again. Grab another transfer. Line it up. Good to go. Bang. Now that's gonna save you about like 50% of the time when you're just laying the shirt. Now, like if you're just doing 5 shirts, it's probably not gonna seem like a lot. But like I said, if you're doing a 100-run order, this time's gonna add up. The amount of bending you're gonna be doing is gonna add up. You're gonna be sore by the end of the day, and you're not gonna make as much money. Now, who wants that? Who wants to be sore and not make as much money as possible? Not me, not you. So next time you're loading, load it with the collar facing you. Just give that flick, put it down, press, bang, on to the next. That's all there is to it. It's gonna save you valuable time and money. It's gonna save your back, and you're gonna end every day with more money and less backache.